What's going on, everybody? So I had this snowblower 5-6 years there now. I think it's going on the 5th winter. It's the Ariens Deluxe 28-inch SHO super high output. It's got a 306cc engine. It's got 15 foot-pounds of gross torque. Now, I've never had to replace a belt. I never had to replace the wheel on the inside that makes everything drive. I haven't had to change a shear pin or a shear pin bolt or anything along those lines. So far, this snowblower has been the cat's meow. Anyways, long story short, gonna show you how it runs. I'm very impressed with it. I believe in promoting a good product when it is a good product. I've yet to have any issues. I've been running it for 5 years, and the only thing I've ever done was change the oil. I think I greased up the chain, I believe I greased up the drive chain the first year. Kind of did a little bit on the bearings each year, just to kind of grease things up. Other than that, I've yet to do much more than a little bit of maintenance. Change the oil once a year, beginning of the season, and that's it. So, it snowed last night. I'm gonna show you what I use while I snow blow, and actually a lot of people think I'm crazy, but I'll tell you why I'm not. So I got a snowmobile helmet. I stick my GoPro to the top. On the side here I got a communicator. The communicator is a radio, so I can listen to music while I snow blow, and if the snow is coming in my face, I can close the shield up, and I'm sealed from the elements, so I can blow snow, and in one direction, the wind can blow it back into my face, and I don't have a face full of snow. That's a pretty good idea right there. I seen a guy, he was on a tractor, he was blowing snow commercially, and he had an open concept tractor. He was using a snowmobile helmet to keep himself warm. And ever since then, every time I snow blow, unless, like, depending on snow conditions and winds and stuff like that, a lot of the time I'll use a helmet. It's still snowing out there now and it's a little windy, so I'm going to use the helmet and be able to get you guys some footage. And my son come out, he's going to do some shoveling. I said he didn't need a helmet, but he's like, well, if the snow blows in my face, I can close the shield and I can stay warm. So it's not for his safety, it's for his comfort. So he doesn't have to have a face full of snow. Right, buddy? My neighbor was a nice neighbor, and he lent me this Greenworks 80-volt snow shovel, or snow thrower. I'm going to make a separate video on this, so if you're interested in seeing this, make sure you check my next video. I'll try and link it in the end of this one. And yeah, show you how that works. He said it's pretty impressive. So right here between the two vehicles, we have, at the top point, we have 12 inches of snow, 12 inches of snow. It's not a very big drift, but it's enough. Let's go look at the road. So up here at the road where the snowplow went by, we have 8 inches of hard packed snow. So, snowplow, when the snowplow came by, he sent it about 10 feet into my yard. So, a good portion of this is going to be a harder packed snow.